In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on Windows, complete with setup instructions and a guide to the best settings for 2025. Whether you're just getting started with a VPN for the first time, or you're looking to tweak your settings for optimal performance, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Nordvpn website. Use the link provided in the description below to access the page where you can download the app. Once the page is open, find the download button dedicated to Nordvpn for Windows and click on it. This action will initiate the download of the application to your computer. After the download is complete, the next step is to install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It should be straightforward. Just follow the prompts asking if you want to install the app and agree to any terms and conditions. Now that the app is installed, go ahead and open it. Upon opening, you will be greeted with the login prompt. Click on Login to enter your account details. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to sign up on the Nordvpn website and choose a plan that suits your needs. Most users find that the multi-year plans offer the best value for money. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the account overview page. This dashboard gives you a comprehensive look at your subscription and services. Here you can ensure your account is active and review any additional settings that might interest you. From your dashboard, locate the download section again. Even though you've already downloaded the app, it's always good to know where to find this feature for any future updates or additional installations on other devices. Within this section, you will also find specific features relevant to your subscription. Now, with the app open, find the Settings option. This is your gateway to personalizing your VPN experience. Within the Settings menu, go to Connection and Security. This section is critical as it allows you to set the parameters for your VPN connection. You can tweak these settings based on your primary use case, whether it's for streaming, gaming, or added security when browsing. Finally, look at the available servers. Nordvpn offers servers from around the world. Choosing a nearby server generally offers the best speed, but if you're looking to access content specific to a region or bypass certain restrictions, selecting a server from a different country might be necessary. And there you go. You're now equipped with the knowledge to comfortably use Nordvpn on your Windows PC. As always, remember to turn on your VPN whenever you're connected to the internet for added privacy and security. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.